Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisia.B, and in today's video we are doing a quick weave hairstyle that you guys voted on my Instagram. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, why not? You guys better hop on it. This is my Instagram right here. Make sure you guys check it out. I am very active on it now. I've been off of it for a while, but I'm back on it now, and you guys voted for this hairstyle. So I'm gonna attempt to do the hairstyle today, okay? My hair obviously needs to get done, so let's get right into it. The hair that we'll be using today is from Hair Granted. It's from a shop in Toronto. It is black owned, so better go and represent and support. They had a sale. This hair is about a year old, to be honest with you guys. I haven't used it yet, but we're gonna use it today. Okay, I think it was like 3 bundles for like 150 bucks. So I bought it and it was pink. That's why the threading is pink, as you guys can see here. But I dyed it black. I just used box dye, to be honest. And now I'm able to use it because obviously I don't have pink hair and I don't have a pink closure. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just dye it black and then we can just put some use to it. So that's what I did. Actually, my sister did it for me. You can actually see a little bit of the pink hair, which is fine because it could be at the back. But I absolutely love this hair. It feels so soft. But I think I got the... I can't even tell you guys what length I got because I honestly don't remember. I'm going to say 26, 24, 22, or 28, 26, 24. Something like that. But either way, we're going to be using these 3 bundles to create the quick weave. And get our hair done, start looking presentable, because you guys, I've been looking like this for like 3 days and it's not cute. Okay, so first off, when we want to do our hair, you want to make sure that our hair base is very flat. When it comes to quick weaves, you want to have a flat base. That way you guys know that your hair is going to look nice and flat and natural, and it's going to look chef's kiss so good. Okay, so we're just going to braid our hair back. No particular style. Like I told you guys, we'll be doing the hairstyle that you guys chose on Instagram. So we're going to be doing a side part, and I love when my side part is on the right side and my hair falls down on the left. So we're going to be doing a part right here on the left side just to make sure our leave out looks really good and really blended. So this is the leave out that I'm going to have with my side part. It's going to look really good, hopefully. And now I'm just going to braid back the hair. Nothing too big, nothing too neat. Just make sure my hair is all flat and it's good to go. So once you are done, it should look something like this. Nice and flat. You could put the tail up here so that way it just covers everything. And then you're going to take your stocking cap and just put it on top of your head. You guys, this hairstyle is so simple. Like, it literally takes nothing. Just like that. And what you're going to do next is you're going to take a white pencil or anything that you have. I'm just using my white eyeliner. There we go. And you're going to want to outline your leave out. That way you don't have any glue on it. And when you are ready to like press it out, it's nice and clean. And you don't have to go through like the whole stress. Take your pencil and just literally just outline your leave out. Oh my god, I'm like struggling. Why am I struggling? So it should look like this. Well, also one thing that I like to do is I like to sew on the cap onto my hair. It just gives it extra security. Because I do cut the stockings because it's really tight with the thick band. So once you sew it on, you could cut it and you could put your protective layer on it, which I'll show you guys how to do it soon. So that way you don't have to get like headaches. If you're like me, you get headaches really easily. So I like to cut it, and that way it just feels so much better, y'all. So now we're gonna put this on top of the cap. This is the Salon Pro 30-second Moroccan Argan Oil Weave Wonder Wrap. It's just basically a protectant, so that way the glue, which is a super hair bond glue by Salon Pro, doesn't get on your actual hair. So you put this on first, make sure it's dry. We're gonna use a blow dryer, which is this, and then we're gonna make sure that it's nice and hard. And then once that is hard, we're gonna use this glue to glue on the tracks and then get this hairstyle started. Alright, so now we're gonna glue the tracks in. What I like to do is I like to basically just measure the track, put the glue on, place the track, measure next track, put the glue on, and then put it on. I don't like blow dry after every placement. That's gonna take way too long. Basically the first one is gonna wrap around from this part of the leave out all the way to the next part. That way I just have a lot of hair falling in my face, and this will look like too bare, you know what I mean? Probably after like 4 or 5 placements of tracks, then I'll blow dry it just to make sure that it's stuck and it's secure. But I'm not gonna do it after every placement of track because it'll take way too long. we are going to blend out the leave out right here. I'm just going to press it out and make sure it just blends really well. And because this hair was a wavy hair, I want to flat iron it so that way it's bone straight. And then we're going to add some nice curls to it. So the flat iron that I'm going to be using is the Wavy Talk one. I got this off of Amazon. I like it because it's, I think this is an inch and a quarter, 1.25 inches. So I like it because it just rips through my hair really well. It doesn't snag, it doesn't do anything bad to my hair. It just makes it go so much faster because it can hold more hair between the plates. So that's what we're going to be using today. And obviously don't forget to add in the heat protectant. And then I'm just going to make sure that my hair looks really well and really straight. And then we're going to add some curls. And then this is how the hair looks. Absolutely love this hair. I'm actually gonna do like a little bit of a beat on my face and show you guys how it looks like when it's all coming together. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that just to elevate this hairstyle even more, and then tell me if you guys like it or not. It was pretty quick. I finished in like an hour and a half. It didn't take long at all. The hair is super silky, super soft. Absolutely love it. And if you guys have seen how it looked before, I really wish I took a picture of how it looked before. But it was pink and it was like a body wave type of hair. But it turned out really well. So yeah, I'm going to go glam up a little bit and show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, and this is the final look of the quick weave. I absolutely love this hair. I love it when it was curled. If you guys want to see how I curled it, I do have a video up I don't know if it's live yet, but if it is, I'll give you guys a link up here somewhere, one of these corners. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learn how to do a quick weave. Again, learn how to do your own hair, guys. It will save you a coin or two, okay? Absolutely love it. I'm in love, guys. I am obsessed with quick weaves. And this is, I think, 4 days post, okay? So it took me some time to curl my hair, but it's 4 days post and I absolutely love it. So again, I love you guys. If you guys learned how to do quick weaves, if you guys love the video or not, which I don't know why, make sure you guys subscribe, okay? Love you. See you in the next one. Bye.